In the dusty corner of an antique shop, Clara discovered a peculiar pocket watch that seemed to tick backwards. When Clara accidentally turned the hands counterclockwise, she watched in astonishment as the shattered teacup on the floor reassembled itself. Soon she realized the watch's power came with limitations. She could only reverse time for 3 minutes, and each use drained her own life force. Clara faced an impossible choice when she witnessed a bus accident that killed dozens. Using the watch might save them, but could cost her everything. With trembling hands, she turned the watch hands, feeling her heartbeat slow as the world around her began to reverse. As darkness closed in around her vision, Clara smiled, knowing her final choice had been worth it. The bus righted itself, passengers unharmed, while she faded into the fabric of time itself.